Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is February 19, 2024, Monday. First the levels, then we go to the discussion part of it. Nifty closed at 548.90, 0.37% up. BankNifty 535.50, 0.32% up. Nifty also up 0.37, 122.25. So all these indices opened a gap up and formed a doji. So however, Nifty opened powerfully. It opened above yesterday's high or last week's high, whichever way you want to say, and then closed by forming a doji. But normally what happens, doji means people say it is an indecision, but this kind of doji that it is forming is more of a continuation pattern, because the way the Bollinger upper bands are moving and the prices are going along with that, it denotes that there is some strong undercurrent particularly in the Nifty. While BankNifty and the Nifty is not that strong, but Nifty is definitely looking strong because the price is going up and the bands are also going up. And Nifty has every day it is taking the all-time high, new all-time high. It is breaking every day, which means it is on a good strength. A good strength is there. So hence, now today's doji cannot be considered as a reversal. See, normally doji means basically is indecision. So hence, no one has to wait for tomorrow and then accordingly take a decision. But normally these kind of dojis that it is getting formed are more of indecision, a continuation indecision rather than a reversal. Okay, because the key levels are, it is above the significantly above the key levels. Hence, no one has to closely see how things are going. In the monthly also, Nifty is in a good wicket, while BankNifty and Nifty has formed a doji in the monthly chart. That is in the month of February till now, it has formed a doji. That's how it is. In the weekly chart, BankNifty and Nifty are looking strong, while Nifty is struggling to close above the exponential moving averages, key exponential moving averages. And still Nifty is below the 50-day simple moving average, which is a very powerful resistance for it, which is above the Bollinger upper band. Hence, no one has to see how things goes tomorrow. With that background, let's go into today's discussion. Banks, Axis Bank, Federal Bank, IDFC, Indus fell 1%. Yes Bank had a big fall of 5%. SBI and Bandhan moved up by 1%. ICICI moved up by 2%, AU moved up by 3%. AU basically it is a short covering rally, nothing much, because it fell 26% till now, and with 5% up move today, it is down 23 points odd percent for the current year. As far as financials are concerned, Chola, IDFC, LIC Finance, Housing Finance, and Manappuram 1% down. Bajaj Finance, L&T Finance 1% up. Bajaj Finserv 3% up. So basically, it is again a powerful short covering rally. Nothing great in it because it was down 10% or so. Now with this up move, Bajaj Twins is relatively looking better, but not great. Oil and Telecom, Reliance 1% up, Bharati 2% up. That's why Nifty moved up. IT, Birlasoft, LTIM, Emphasis, TCS, Wipro, 1% down. Intellect, 2% down. L&T, Coforge and Techem, 1% up. In the case of consumer goods, Berger 1% down, ITC, Nestle, Page and Titan 1% up, ABFRL moved up by 2%. In the automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Eicher Motors, Hero Motors, Motherson, Tata Motors, TVS Motors, all down 1%. Escorts, M&M, Maruti up 1%. Bajaj Auto moved up by 2%. Metals was a slightly kind of a down day, I would say. Hindalco, National Aluminum, Jindal 1% down. Coal had a big fall of 4%, while SAIL, NMDC and Vedanta moved up by 1%. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Dr. Reddy, Lalpath and Sun Pharma 1% up. Cipla and Thyrocare 2% up. Others category, L&T and Godrej 1% down, DLF 2% down, Eris 3% down, Adani Enterprise, Havells, Indigo, IRCTC, Nykaa and UPL moved up by 1%, Polycab 2% up, Nykaa 3% up, Nykaa 1% up, Delta Corp 4% up. So Delta Corp again, I have told innumerable times, so there is no point in repeating, just we are giving the levels. So tomorrow is option expiry for FinNifty. So what is the support and resistance? As far as support is concerned, FinNifty, the 100-day simple moving average is a very good support for FinNifty. So that's a rising level actually. Now it is at 2305. So whatever is that level, that is going to hold at least for tomorrow. 100-day simple moving average. As far as resistance is concerned, as I said at the outset, the 50-day simple moving average is acting as a resistance, which is roughly around 2881 currently. So it has to take. But before that, the Bollinger upper band is there. It has to take that. Then it has to go above that. Thank you very much.